It's about 5 minutes later. You can see how the water's risen even in this time. Look at this guy coming through here. It's actually leaving a wave. Huh. Oh, some more coming. Well, I think somebody deciding that the water is too deep on this street and they're trying to back it on up into traffic. Yeah. It's a little less on the main street there, as you can see. There goes that red van.